Hey, this is for parents of teenagers hopping into your podcast feed to let you know about a course that I have coming up. It is a group coaching course. It starts on Thursday, runs for 6 weeks, and we are talking about peaceful parenting in the teen years. This is backed by popular demand. I only offer this once a year. It's going to be 6 weeks over Zoom. It'll be recorded if you can't make all of the sessions live. We are going to be covering connection in our relationship, managing our own anxiety as parents of teenagers. We're going to be talking about attitude, ours and theirs. We're going to be talking about our new role and teen development in terms of brains and emotion and their maturation, as well as autonomy and self-drive, including the famous homework question. We're going to be talking about health, teenagers' health, and we're going to be talking about being part of a family team, safety, drugs and alcohol, sexuality, all of the things teenagers and peaceful parenting. I'll also be asking you what you need to know about. This is going to be a really personalized sessions with me, and I have limited number of spaces left. So if you are interested, shoot me an email, sarah@sararosensweet.com, or send me a DM on Facebook or Instagram, and I will send you all of the information. This course is not for you if your kids are not between the ages of 13 and 19. You can take it next year if your kids are younger. I'm really looking for only parents of teenagers. This course might not be for you if your teen is self-harming, struggling with disordered eating, or regularly using drugs and alcohol, or experiencing serious mental health challenges that interfere with daily life functioning. If your teen is self-harming, struggling with disordered eating, or regularly using drugs and alcohol, or experiencing serious mental health challenges that interfere with daily life functioning, and is under the care of a mental health professional for any of those situations, this would be a fantastic support for you and probably much needed. If you have teenagers ages 13 through 19, you want to rebuild or build a great relationship with your teen, and you want your teen to be happy, safe, and successful, and prepared for independence, shoot me an email, sarah@sararosensweet.com, or send me a DM on Facebook or Instagram, and I will send you all of the details. We are starting on Thursday, May 16th, and as I said, space is limited. A few comments from parents who participated last time. I would highly recommend this course. We need to talk to people who are going through the same thing as us and follow the same approach. Another parent said, I loved the blend of information, resources, and coaching, great balance. And another parent said, I now feel prepared for the next years of parenting my teenagers. So again, reach out to me, sarah@sararosensweet.com, if you are interested in my peaceful parenting teenagers course that is coming up this week.